Va así. Ajá. Pero, guys, we have a sick baby. Today is Halloween, and I just came back from Walmart. It's 5:37. Had to buy her this that I connected in my room. Some teacher told me about this, which sucks up the mucus, and it even has music. And you just press here, as you can hear. It sucks the mocos, and it's from Graco. Then I had Tylenol, and then one of my friends, Yuri, she told me about this, so we just gave it to her. And then this goes with the vaporizer, I'll show you in a minute. And this came with this. So I just bought the scented, and it says the scented little pads, and it says that it lasts up to 8 hours. So yeah, it's Halloween, and Mia probably won't dress up. We did take her pictures yesterday because she was gonna be Snow White. Have my candies there, her little basket. We're trying to figure this thing out with my mom. And my sick baby's over here. Doña Vilma. Tiene moquito. Ay, corazón. So she has all of that stain because she was drinking her Tylenol and all that. We had a really rough night last night. Say hi, boo boo. Mr. Pangs didn't dress up either. So we were gonna dress up. I was gonna be the evil queen, but we'll see. And then this is a little vaporizer I told you guys. It smells good. And you just connect it to the light, and then I'm gonna have the humidifier in here. So yeah, guys, but that's my Halloween. First Halloween with baby. She's sick. Here's her little outfit. She was gonna be Snow White. Good thing we took her pictures yesterday, just because today it's so cold. Well, it's not that cold. It's a little bit chilly and it's raining, but we're in like 50s or in the 40s and it's raining. So yeah, she did take her picture, so I'll probably insert some. But my poor baby is sick. I went to work. I was so sleepy. So we'll see how it goes tonight because poor Mia. So yeah, guys, I will just show you whenever we go to the party. I don't think we're gonna go, but I'm just saying. Di bye, mami. Mi amor, ¿cuántos años vas a cumplir? ¿Cuántos? 1. ¿Cuántos años vas a cumplir? 1. 1. A ver, 1. Mia, 1. Ah, that's her new thing. Guys, we're gonna have to go like this. We're just gonna go for a few seconds, few minutes. She's wearing her little red shoes. Wanna say hi, Mia? This is my first Halloween, guys. I'm sick. Wearing a hat, a North Face, pajamas at the bottom. Okay, let's go, little Cinderella. Hi, guys. I'm the evil queen, and I have my little cape on and my little crown. And Mia is the little. ¿Tú quieres, mi amor, Snow White? Diles hi. Hi. Dale, vámonos. Ana, 20. Salieron a 1.40. Pero te digo que está bien así porque no hace mucho. ¿No tienen mucho? Saturday? Yeah, they're $1. No sé cómo si lo hubiera pagado.
Aquí está brigada. Oh, she looks sick, dude.
I know.
Need some medicine and
Look at my sick baby. You sick, Mia? Look at your little red shoes.
Con el mismo papel para
Dude, you didn't get the forks?
con el papel.
Hey.
No le alcanzo. A ver si trae mojito, ¿no?
¿No quieres comer, mijo? Ahí hay sodas. Dile, niña. Gallo, ahí hay drinks.
Oh, right here.
You don't want a drink? No, Coke? I mean,
Here, madre. Sí, ni. Huela. Ten, niña.
Bien, Juana, te vas a sedar. Look at Juana.
hola. Aquí está mi papá. Mi pollo, papá.
Diarrea por mañana.
A lo mejor échale un poquito más para que esté aguadita como más que
Sal. Papá para la nalga.
Nadie. Así, échatela. Pásela, ya le he hecho todo.
Yo le voy a echar mantequilla.
Black pepper? Yes, please. Black pepper? Yes. Hey.
You got you.
La nalga. Cuidado con la migra porque aquí llegó. Ratchet, put your hat on. Because she's a shark, guys.
Yep.
Make sure you follow Ratchet.
Alpha Unicorn.
She's a unicorn.
Choco de queso amarillo. Ay, pero a papá no le gustaba. Dice que le dijo, vengan, este queso mamá se
No, no, no.
I'm a mom, damn it.
I don't hear no trick or treat. I don't hear nothing.
Dame. Porque esa es la aspiradora.
¿Cuál quieres?
Espalda. Y esta es. No va. Es para limpiar abajo de los sillones o abajo del refri.
¿Este?
Ajá, ese.
Ahorita ya.
Okay guys, so here it is. This is the one I ordered. It's the Shark Power Lift or Shark Rotator Power Lift. Yeah. Powered Speed Lift Away. It comes with the caddy if you don't want to carry it. Like, just go to QVC and enter that. It comes with a lot of things. And it was on sale for $2.19. This is to go under the fridge, or you could probably do like under the bed, under the stove, that kind of stuff. This, the little canister, can go on the caddy, so you won't have to carry that around. That's for hardwood floors and to dust your floors, so that's cool. There's the actual like vacuum, the canister, the stick. This comes apart and you can like vacuum different things. And then this, what I fell in love with was actually this, so I could get into like the fan and all that. And that's pretty, oh, we have another little attachment over here, like to get all your pet hairs and all that, so that's pretty cool. Oh, and we have another one over here, and this is like a brush. No, you can't see it. Oh, there it goes, you can see it. And that's pretty much it, guys, but it looks so pretty. I will soon do a video with it. I'm so in love with it. Let's see if it works. But Shih Tzu's here, so she's gonna be scared. And Mia, you wanna say hi, Mia? Say hi. She's sick, guys, but she's getting better. Last night was okay. We've been having some rough nights, but it came in that box, and this is how it looks. I'm excited. Oh, I just turned it on. She's already waving. Guys, I just did my carpet, my little rug right here, the one that you see all the time. And look at all this that came out. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Like, can't believe it. Todo eso salió, amor, de la carpeta. I'm so excited to use this. Thumbs up if you want to see a video. I can't believe it, guys. Like, all of this came out from that. And oh my gosh, I can't believe it. You need this in your life.